Listen to that. Have you ever struggled with dry pork fillet? Stay tuned because today I'm showing you the darling technique to seal in all the juice and flavour without using a single drop of oil. And wait until you see the secret ingredient I add to the mash at the end. In the go, cover the potatoes with boiling water to simmer. While those cook, let's grate the cheddar cheese. While the potatoes are bubbling away, it's time for the leeks. Instead of mashing with cold milk, we're sauteing our leeks in butter and simmering them in the milk first. This infuses the milk with flavour before it ever hits the potatoes. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to plain mash. Now for the pork. Clean hands are all you need here to really work that salt and pepper into the meat. The secret to cooking without oil, a sizzling hot pan. We're letting the natural fats do the work, creating a deep golden crust that locks the juices inside. Now let's bring it all together. Pour in that leek infused milk, that is perfect. And for the final darling touch, we're folding in all that rich leek flavour. Watch it blend into the mash. It's pure comfort in a bowl. Let me know in the comments, are you a classic mash fan? Or do you love a sweet potato twist like this? Look at that steam, a healthy oil-free dinner with maximum flavour. Why not pair this with our no-bake recipe cheesecake for the perfect finish? Click the link on the screen now. See you there and remember to subscribe.